Hi and welcome back to DevOps Talks in Sydney. I'm here with Madura from IBM and he's just given a great presentation for all of us on stage. Madura, how are you feeling?
Awesome to be back face to face with the DevOps audience. This is my first time presenting a DevOps talk. I haven't done it before, so I was a bit nervous at first, but it was a good feedback from the audience. It was very engaging, so I enjoyed it.
Amazing. Well, you couldn't tell that you were nervous, so congratulations.
Thank you.
Do you want to introduce yourself and tell us a bit more about what you do?
Yeah, so I represent a product called Instana. That was an acquisition by IBM about 1.5 years back. It is in the observability space, so we are into application performance monitoring of next generation. So we support cloud-native technologies, cloud services, as well as the traditional backend. So we support anything between mainframe databases to cloud native serverless workloads, and we ensure that the applications are up and running, and we help the developers as well as the SREs to reduce their workload, reduce their stress levels as much as possible through automation, context, and intelligent action.
Great. And can you tell us a little bit more about what you presented on today?
Yeah, so it's more about how day in the life of an SRE or a developer. So they take away a lot of, our product takes away a lot of the stress that is involved in having to instrument, having to change their configuration. From the SRE's perspective, you have to keep up with the devs and with the release cycles, with the agile adoption of developing apps. It's quite difficult to keep up at that pace in a manual process. So that's why we try to automate the process as much as possible through automated configuration and instrumentation of the agent to the contextual insights that are out-of-the-box dashboards, out-of-the-box alerts on the back end to reduce the workload as much as possible, as I said. When it comes to the developers, we also help them to improve and optimize their application in terms of CPU or memory utilization, and they could use the insights that we give to improve the performance of the applications that they're writing.
Okay, great. And if anybody is interested to learn more about Instana, where would they go? What would they do?
Type in instana.com and you would see a 14-day trial that you can sign up for. Even before that, you can go into playwithinstana.com. We have a guided demo of what Instana is to get a look and feel of what it is. And if you feel like you want to trial it with your data, with your applications, then please do sign up with the no strings attached offer of 14 days.
Great. Okay, cool. Well, thank you so much for today, and thank you for being here in Sydney with us at DevOps Talks.
Thank you very much for having us, and thank you.
Cut.